First thing is first, let me take my time before I kill myself. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. We are at phase 4 or episode 4. Basically, we're done with most of the railing up there, and I just have these two railings left on the top of the deck, but everything is connected to the top posts on the stairs. So now we are working on the stairs. What I told y'all before was the design of how the builders built the stairs. For me to put the post sleeves on the steps on how it or how it's laid out right now, I will have to cut the post sleeve ends like they did on this one. And so I will put the stair stringers. The bottom step is warped, so I will be taking the stair stringers off, and I will put it on the outside of the post instead of it being on the inside of the post. That way I could put a whole post, a composite wood here, and put the vinyl sleeve for the end of this post on top, and we will have a perfectly built deck. Now, once again, if you're remodifying your deck, or if you want to change your stairs, you want to knock everything down and just put maybe a skinnier stairway, make sure you check your building codes. I know some states it has to be 36 inches or more. So yeah, make sure you check on all that and enjoy the video. Close call. Alright, you guys, so the demolition fun is over. So let's go ahead and get into some more info for y'all so y'all can know the info. Basically here, well, this been broke for some time, so alright, so you can see this wood right here, right? Let me move this crap out the way. Alright, so as you can see, this stringer is done for. So I may have to purchase another one from Home Depot, in which it's not bad. It's only 20 bucks, so I'm not going to cry about it. I think that's the reason why y'all see this little dip right here. Not truly sure, but I will take it up just to see why. Another thing about the stringers, from what I seen, was the stair stringer was on the opposite side, so that way you could put your whole composite wood all the way across, and you could put your sleeve on top. If I was to leave this like this, my vinyl sleeve will have to get cut like this. So y'all see that cut? I will have to do that to my vinyl sleeve, and I don't feel like doing that to my vinyl sleeve. So instead, I'd rather put the stringer on this side. Now, when I do that, y'all know I will have to take all the stairs apart, of course, and redo the back of it. So there goes the end of the stringers with our 2x6, I believe, like 2x8. This might be a 2x8. So this is where the stringer sits. I will have to put this and bring it out. So let's see. Y'all see where it meets at here? So I might have to come out here with my 2x8 and come out to here, so that way I can match up for the side of here, and we be good with that. So yeah, I'll be covering some of the pavers, but it'll be worth it because I will be designing the stairs to where this post, the vinyl sleeve, can fit right on top of the step. Same thing with this side. I will have to do the same thing. So I will have to bring it up. I will put my stair stringer on this side of the wood and work my way up. Alright? And as you know, my railing was not level. I went over that through the intro. That's if y'all seen the intro, but I straightened it up as best as I could. Now the middle post, I actually pushed it out more this way. So yeah, so all of my posts was leaning towards the outside of the fence. So most of my posts was leaning like this. So I pushed them back up like this. But that is not that bad. My wife said just leave it alone. But y'all know my OCD. My wife said leave it alone, so I might leave it alone. I don't know. But if you put your level on it, I can't see because of the sun is in the lens. I mean, the sun's on the screen, but it is level, you guys. Level. Alright? Now, let's go to the old post. You see that? Y'all see that, right? Now, watch this. This is how much I need to level it, okay? The stuff was leaning. There you go. That is not proper, okay? That is not correct, not proper, however you call good, correct, proper. That's not it. So the post is already crooked, okay? And I believe that's how they installed it. Alright, so this one is decent. It's okay. It's not too bad. It could get moved a little bit, but I don't know if I want to touch this one or not. Alright, and once I straighten these, then I'll fix the ones on the bottom, and that will be it. But first thing is first, let me take the time before I kill myself. Now it's time for the fun part, the part that everybody loves to do when it comes to DIY. It's called destroy. You know, while doing this, I am just praying that like a lizard just don't jump out or 1,000 spiders come out while I'm doing this. I cannot believe this, you guys. I thought I was recording the whole time when I was taking these steps off, so y'all missed it. Anyways. Alright, you guys, so we have 4 posts that needs attention. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and start spraying some WD-40 on these nuts right here, these nuts here, and the nuts for that post and the nuts for that post. I need to redo all of this, basically. Not redo, but straighten them up. And plus, y'all know I need to take the stairs off anyway, the stringers. I will be recycling these 2, and I'll trash this one and this one. I already got the 2 stair stringers there. I got me a piece of 2x8 right there to basically replace these 2 2x8s right there. Alright, so this one needs to be replaced because I want it wider. This one needs to be replaced because I want it wider. I want it to come out to the end of that post right there. That way I can move my post, my stair stringers from here to this side, and that way I can put the pull sleeve on this properly instead of making a cut. And that should do it. And y'all will basically see what I'm talking about anyways. But these nuts don't look like they in bad condition as the other ones did. This one is really rusted on the bottom. That one, and then I got a spray for these two posts here, so I have to take this whole piece of wood off